Hello everyone. In this problem, we have to find the value of x where there is a given a triangle among which one of its interior angle is 3x plus 13, other is 5x minus 3, and the remaining exterior angle is 5 by 2 into 3x plus 7. If we have a triangle like this with one angle as A, one angle as A interior angle, B is other interior angle, and C is the exterior angle, then we have a formula that C is equal to A plus B. This is very famous formula for triangles. So we will use this for the purpose to find x. Here we have 3x 3x plus 13 plus 5x minus 3, that is equal to 5 by 2 into 3x plus 7. So here is 3 plus 5 is 8x plus 10 is equal to 5 by 2 3x plus 7, multiplying by 2 times 8x plus 10, that is equal to 5 times 3x plus 7, multiplying this will 16x plus 20 is equal to 15x plus 35. So taking this on this side and this on this side, we will get 16x minus 15x is equal to 35 minus 20. So x is equal to 15. That is the answer. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe it and give the thumb up. Thank you for watching.